Happiest birthday, Mami Elizabeth! Thank you po, Tita, sa pagiging second mom nyo sa amin, ni Paolo. And thank you po for everything that you've done for us. And thank you po for your unending love and guidance.
Once again, Mami, this is your night, this is your party, so just enjoy. Always have a good health. Sana more travel with you. And makapag-travel pa po kayo lalo ni Daddy. Just enjoy your party, and then just always remember, age is just a number. So party, Mami. Good night. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hello!
Hi, Mami!
We would like to greet you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mami, and sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayon dyan sa Pilipinas.
And Mommy, sabi nga nila, you can choose a family, but if I could, I'd choose you as my tita every single time. We love you. Again, sana ma-appreciate at ma-enjoy mo yung surprise birthday party mo. We love you.
We love you. Happy birthday again, Mami.
Happy birthday, Lola Beth. We love you.
We love you. We love you. Happy birthday.
Okay, again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Wawa! Happy birthday, Wawa! Happy birthday, Wawa! Happy birthday, Wawa!
Yay. Say, love you,
I
Wawa.
love you, Wawa!
Happy birthday, Mommy!
Yeah!
We hope na surprise ka sa surprise mo, and we all love you so much, and we are also blessed to have you, and sana we have more years, happy memories to be together as a family. So Mommy, enjoy your birthday party!
Yes, we love you so much, Mom. We're wishing you good health. That's the only wish I have for you, of course. And we love you so much, and we miss you.
Bye.
Bye, love you.
Happy birthday!
Okay, let's go!
Oh, dance for Wawa, one dance, go, show your dance.
Happy birthday, Wawa. Happy birthday, Wawa. Happy birthday, dear Wawa. Happy birthday, Wawa.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I hope you're enjoying your day, your birthday surprise. And we just want to thank you for being always there for our family and for always caring and loving Louie, makulit. And we love you and see you soon. Enjoy your day, Mommy.
Happy birthday! We wish you many, many more healthy years to come and happy retirement in the future. Sorry we couldn't be there on your surprise birthday party, but maybe next time. Sana masaya kayo sa inyong surprise party. Sana na-surprise kayo. Everyone enjoy. Happy birthday, Mommy. We love you. We thank you for everything. You are the best mom ever. Right, Louis? And the best Wawa ever.
Happy birthday, Wawa! Pasalubong.
What do you want?
Pasalubong.
What pasalubong do you want?
The dino.
Dino toy, the Wawa. Always the dino toy.
I like dino.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Love you.
Good night, sleepyhead.
Kiss.
3, 2, 1, 0, go.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Mommy Beth.
What's your message? Do you have a message?
Yeah. Thank you for all the toys. We love you.
And send many, many more toys.
Send many hundreds, 20x toys.
Happy birthday to the best mom in the world.
That's not the mom.
Yeah, sorry, hindi kami nakapunta dyan, Mom. But I'm sure nag-enjoy kayo ni Dad along with our amazing friends and families.
send kayo ng maraming pics and videos mamaya. So we can experience yung happiness nyo dyan. Mom, I want to thank you so much for everything that you've done for our family. Grabe yung sacrifices na ginawa niyo ni Dad para sa amin over the years. And we are so fortunate and blessed to call you Mom. Ikaw talaga yung gold standard ng model for the best mom in the world. And on your special day, my biggest prayer for you is good health, long life, peace of mind, and many, many more years filled with happiness and adventures. We miss you so much na, and itabi nyo na lang kami dyan ng lumpiang Shanghai and cake. Baka pwedeng ipadala na lang. Again, Mom, happy birthday. We love you so much. And sa lahat ng nagpunta, nag-organize, and tumulong to make this surprise birthday a memorable one for my mom. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And I hope you guys enjoy the whole event. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Mami Beth! Thank you sa lahat ng support and love na binibigay niyo po sa amin. Especially sa times na pinanganak ko si James and si Sarah. You're always there for us, to support us, especially when we needed the help. You and Daddy. We're very grateful kasi kayo yung grandparents ng dalawang chikiting namin. I'm sure they will cherish all the memories they have with you both. I wish you more blessings, good health, and we love you so much. We're always here for you to support you. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday again, Mom. Oh, and si Sarah, sabi niya, happy birthday din daw. And I just want to show off the newest member of the family. Say happy birthday!
Remember when I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side, you will never be alone. Even when we go through changes, even when we're old, remember that I told you I'll find my way back home.